What's your actual birthday? Oh, shit. So everything's a lot.
On April 15th, 2023, an officer noticed a speeding vehicle and conducted a traffic stop. Upon speaking with the driver, he discovered that the driver didn't have valid documents or a driver's license. At this point, he was unaware of the deadly weapons in the driver's car.
What's going on, my man? 76 and a 45.
Look, you right. I ain't even gonna bullshit you. I was speeding.
You have the insurance and your license, please.
My license is in the house. I was literally going to get some food, bro, and come right back. But I can give you my name. Here go this is my girl name.
Okay.
I was just going to get some food, bro.
I got you. How much weed's in the car? Realistically, how much weed's in the car? I can smell it.
Real? Oh, God, it's just it. And it's just it. I swear, look, I swear to God, I wasn't even smoking it. This from last night. We just had it in here from last night.
What else? You got anything else in the car?
Nah.
Guns, drugs, weapons, handguns, anything that a canine would indicate on, or if you came out of the car that I would find if I searched the car, anything like that?
Nah.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
The driver picked up a charge here for not informing the officer about the weapon he was carrying. Things were only going to get worse for him from here.
Can you roll this back window down?
Yeah.
Oh, man, she's about it, dude. She's got the plastic on the seat.
Yeah, man, we clean, man. I'm clean.
Bro, please tell me that's your backpack.
Huh?
Please tell me that's your backpack.
That's my daughter's. I'm going there. I tell them I have visit. Nah, that's my daughter's. It's good and nothing but clothes.
Hey, so tough.
Ain't shit but clothes in there, bro. I
don't know, bro. I'm starting to think that's yours.
Nah, man, it's my daughter's, bro. I'm about to get some food. I'm gonna have visit.
That would be next level if that was yours, though.
Nah,
but it has
bro.
to be real diamonds.
57,000 miles. Just cause you could, I gave it to you for 30. And then on market, it's going for 51 right now.
Let's sell this to me right now, 2019, 53,000 miles, 30 grand.
Hey, I'm for real. Y'all, hey.
Wholesale. He said it's going for 51.
They going for 51.
How clean is it?
So everybody be safe, man. Y'all can see stars in the ceiling. I'm cool, man. I be chilling.
Who's gonna fix the rims?
Huh?
Who's gonna fix your rims?
What's wrong with the rim?
This one's curved all up.
It is?
Yeah, look at it.
Man, stop it.
Yeah, look at it. You curved it.
Man, stop it. I ain't got nothing on me.
On the back.
Chill.
This car's 21,000 all day.
Cap. Stop the cap.
Paint swirls right here.
Look,
let's see the rim.
That can be buff. What rim, man?
On the other side, he said.
Well. Alright, my girl, you just so happy when you let your girl drive, bro. You can't be mean.
Hey,
It's a nice car, though. It's a nice car.
21,000, no ticket.
But I already knew he was finna get on me because these is hot and people be doing stupid shit. So I'm like,
and you got the brightest of the blue too.
Yeah, I'm like,
but this is the color I would have got too.
Yeah, that's why I got it.
While the driver was busy explaining his business to the cops, one of the officers quickly ran a background check on him. He was in for a lot of trouble now.
We be real estate, wholesaling houses. You need a crib. We sell cars, everything.
You got like an LLC, little company.
Yeah, LLC, and then we turned it to a C corp. You know, then you get your loans and all that. You know, baby mom stay out here. That's why the bag in the back. I come out here to see my daughter. It's her birthday. I'm finna take her out to eat. Man, we chilling. Watch the car. Nah. Yeah. So I watched the car, man.
How old's your daughter?
9.
9?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good age.
Yeah, man.
All right, I'm gonna ask you 20 questions here. What's your social security number?
Oh.
No, don't look it up. Everyone can look it up.
Huh?
Everyone can look it up. What's your social security number?
3.
What's your address?
Mine?
Where's your warrant out of?
I got a warrant?
Well, this ain't you. It's not your social security number. It's not your address.
Who? I got a warrant?
No, I'm asking you because you're giving me a fake name. I know you're giving me a fake name.
Nah, man. My name Paris, bro.
The man had realized by now that he had accumulated several charges, and there was no escape for him at this point.
But I ain't.
You don't have any ID on you at all?
Look, I don't even do nothing. It's just that it's probably gonna try to come up and try to say my shit expired. But bro, I done paid them tickets. I got all the receipts.
Expired or suspended?
No, I ain't got it. It's never suspended. It was expired because she said I had a ticket. I paid the shit, bro. So you go look at Paris Keaton.
See, that's the thing you can't beat about Indiana. What I love about their license, it tells you all the information. I can tell you everything. You may be 225 pounds, but you definitely don't have that social security number.
Smart.
Smarter than you think. And you wouldn't show me a Facebook. You had no internet connection.
No,
Out in the world, you have no internet connection. Come on,
my
man.
shit not loading.
Nothing but cash on you. What's your actual birthday? Oh shit. So everything's a lie. What's your middle name? Oh my God, not even truthful at all, bro.
Nah, you good, bro. I don't be out here, bro. It's just, that's stupid taking my pocket. I paid that shit. I got the receipt in there, bro. I paid that shit twice. Yeah, they said I didn't pay it. Then I came back up here and paid it again.
Where's that ticket out of?
Du Bois, I think.
What's wrong with your license?
Yeah, is it suspended?
No, it's not suspended. Never. It was
So if
expired.
it's expired, then it shouldn't be no big deal.
That's
Why
what
don't
I'm
you just
saying.
go get a new one?
Because they won't let me, so I had to get my Indiana one. Bro, it's a bunch. You gonna see?
So you got an Indiana license?
Yeah, I got Indiana license.
Where
but
that at?
I don't even. I ain't, bro. I was literally going to get some damn food, bro.
But
He ain't catching me speeding, bro. It's cool, bro.
you just said you was going like 64.
Bro, 64 right here. Then I slowed down. Then he just seen the bright car, and you know it was a little.
But yeah, they just seen the bright car though.
He was trying to excuse himself from the situation, but the officers had one more blow to deliver.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Bro, y'all be right here.
Yeah.
Look, I ain't snitching on nobody, but y'all be right here. Nah, he probably it's gonna come out. I got Indiana license, it's gonna come out here, say it's expired, but that shit was like from 2016, 17, bro. Like, so I just gave up. I just got my Indiana license. He say I was speeding, but I'm gonna give it to him. You know, you be nice to him when they let you go.
He say.
I ain't got shit. I'm good, man. I ain't tripping about that shit, bro.
Got the good news or the bad news?
What's the bad news?
What's the bad news? Yeah. I gotta tow your car.
Why?
You don't have insurance.
On God, we got insurance.
You only show me the policy.
Hold on, let me show you, bro. We got insurance. I paid $400 a month for that shit.
Really?
Yeah, bro. Full coverage. $400 a month for that shit.
Come over here real quick, bro. Alright, you put your phone up here. You got anything on that's gonna poke me, prick me, prod me without reaching? Just face the car real quick. For my safety, alright. Change my back real quick. You got a warrant out of Will County.
For real?
Yeah.
For what?
Failure to appear. Traffic.
For driving.
I'll be solid with you and take the watch off yourself so I don't ruin
I got a bond?
We have to get the. We'll have to take a look at the actual warrant.
Take your watch off.
Take your watch off so we don't crap you out.
I really don't want to pay
Hey,
for a new
didn't we
one.
just go? Didn't I pay that warrant shit?
It's alright. You get a court date. It's quick.
Yeah, you can get enough to bond out.
Hey, you sent it to my phone? Alright, look.
I was suspended out of Indiana.
The cap.
And no valid out of Illinois.
No.
You've been into it with the boys,
No,
huh?
he cap, bro. He cap.
The driver's girlfriend called and tried to explain the insurance details to the officers, but they remained unconvinced.
Yeah, that's the policy number right there.
That's for a 2014 Chevy Impala.
No, he just didn't switch to what's the name. You can look it up.
We can't look it up.
They're not sending your card, but that's our policy number still. It's the same policy.
It's under the same.
So we can't look for
We
policy
can't get an
numbers.
insurance company's stuff. It has to say this vehicle. This says 2014 Chevy Impala.
It's under. So I gotta call it.
And this just says application.
Yeah, for real.
I got you. I got you. Go ahead.
Bro, I swear to God, I got insurance. Hey, damn. Hey, I had shoulder surgery. It's like 4 weeks ago.
There you go. Is that
Like
better?
that.
Yeah, is that better? We're not going anywhere just yet. I'm trying to just check.
Crack the window, man. It's hot as hell.
Yep.
As soon as the officers got the man inside the police car, they searched his vehicle and found his guns.
Hey, my gun ain't hot. My gun registered, man. We good. I thought Biden passed. I mean, not Biden. Trump passed a law for you can take it over state line, long as you're not a felon. So what I got to do to get my gun back?
You lied about your name to cover up a warrant, which
No, I swear to God, bro. I didn't know I had a warrant, bro.
to conceal something else. So okay, that's already obstructing. There's a lot of charges.
No, I thought my license was expired out here, bro. I ain't. Okay. Hey Siri, call Lydia. Babe. I don't know if you can hear me, but they trying to say my car stolen or some shit. I don't know if you can hear me. They trying to say my car stolen or some shit and all this shit. Man, tell me out. They finna tow my shit, bro. Tell me I can't get it to Monday. Like, what the It's under the same policy, bro.
But it's over for the car. The car's already gone. It's a wrap.
So
me and you are headed out of here.
But what?
Fine.
But all right, no, that's cool. That. But
I gotta take the car though.
What? All right, what they saying about what's going on with my plates and my VIN and shit? Cause now I gotta check that shit out.
The male already had an in-state warrant and was additionally charged